Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today let's review Samsung's latest mid-segment smartphone marketed as F62 in India that is sold as M62 globally. We will discuss its key features, see the unboxing, check out how it looks in indoor and outdoor settings and see how it performs in day-to-day use. So be with me till the end of the video. Here is the Samsung Galaxy F62 or M62 inside a virtual 3D room. The body is made of highly polished plastic that gives it a glass-like mirror finish that Samsung calls Glastic Finish. Cameras are housed in a refreshing square-shaped layout and it goes well with the overall design. The phone comes with Corning Gorilla 3 toughened Super AMOLED Full HD Plus screen that measures 6.7 inches diagonally. The key highlight of Samsung Galaxy F62 or M62 is the inclusion of Samsung's flagship processor, the Exynos 9825, the same octa-core processor that powers the premium segment models like Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. The processor is a beast when it comes to day-to-day usage and gaming performance. It has a dual-core custom CPU, a dual-core Cortex-75 and a quad-core Cortex-A55, along with the Mali G76 graphics processing unit. All this targeted to give a lag-free experience to power users and gamers. Next in the key specification list is the monster battery, the 7000 mAh powerhouse that could make the smartphone double up as a power bank. USB-C cable is used for charging and the 25 watts fast charger that comes with the phone can charge it to the brim in under 2 hours. The phone comes in 3 shades: green, blue and grey, with a nice striped gradient texture at the back. Over to a quick unboxing. The ever familiar Samsung Galaxy box. Opening it, you find the F62 or M62 wrapped in protective plastic. You will find the 25 watts fast charger, the user manual and a SIM ejection pin. That's it. I have got the green 6GB RAM 128GB storage variant with me. The sides also carry the same color gradient. Top is solid green and the bottom is silver. The left side houses a SIM tray. One side of the tray houses a micro SD card that can be up to 1 TB in storage. The other side of the SIM tray stores 2 nano-sized SIM cards. Right side of the Samsung Galaxy F62 or M62 has the volume rockers and beneath it lies the power button with integrated fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint recognition was spot on and quick and I liked its integration with the power button. The box-shaped quad camera layout looks refreshing compared to the regular vertical arrangement seen on Galaxy phones. We have a separate video on the phone's camera finish, so we will save finer details for that. Overall, the camera elements are pretty much carried over from the highly successful Galaxy M51 with the same 12 megapixels ultra-wide, 64 megapixels primary shooter, 5 megapixels depth sensor and 5 megapixels macro at the rear. At the front, Samsung Galaxy F62 has 32 megapixels shooter for your selfies and video calls. From the samples I took, the quality of photos are very good and goes on par with the Samsung Galaxy M51 shots. In portrait mode, the depth blurring appeared a little too soft, but could get easily fixed in the future software updates. The Samsung's One UI 3.0's camera interface is very slick and packs almost everything you need, including manual controls. Low-light photos and videos too came out very nice and detailed. The flagship processor greatly helped in the lag-free camera experience and the quick post-processing of the shots. Rest of the details we will see in the dedicated camera review video. Samsung screens have always been stunning and the F62 or M62's Super AMOLED display is no exception. Colors are natural and the screen is sharp and bright and is legible even in bright sunlight. The downsides would be regular 60Hz refresh rates and the older Corning Gorilla 3 screen protection, both of which could have been stepped up to make this a more complete package. This is how the phone looks in daylight. To me, the shade turned even better there, with a slight tint of turquoise. With the flagship octa-core processor and 6 or 8 GB of RAM, little needs to be said about the smoothness of user interface interaction. The Samsung One UI 3.0 is a pleasure to use. Apps open up very quick, toggling between apps is instantaneous, and I felt absolutely no lags anywhere during my testing. Signal reception and call quality are good. Wi-Fi calling is a boon in low signal areas. Dolby Atmos gave the familiar enveloping effect to my headphones, but the phone's mono speaker is just average. Are you into 3D games? The Mali G76 GPU will not disappoint you. I tested Asphalt 9, Need for Speed No Limits, Call of Duty and Explain Flight Simulation. The graphics performance was exceptionally good. Frames were flowing in butter smooth even on ultra settings. The only game that pushed the GPU to the limits was Explain, when environmental effects like rain was turned on. The 7000 mAh battery can double up as a power bank, and it easily lasts me 2 days with normal use. The charger is a 25 watts one and it supercharges the Samsung Galaxy S62 or M62 in under 2 hours. Final verdict: Samsung Galaxy S62 or M62 would be the smartphone you can buy with your eyes closed. If you are looking for a fast and attractive looking smartphone with enough juice for gaming, with a rich looking display and carrying a good quality quad camera setup. However, with this you may have to forego some frills like a higher refresh rate screen that the recent brands in the market offer at similar price point. Please like, share and subscribe, watch my other videos in the channel and don't forget to type in your comments and feedbacks below. Thank you for watching.